Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to scroll my LinkedIn profile page for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video. Friends, before we start this video, I would like you to visit my profile, which is Prakash K. Here is the link I would be sharing in the description as well. You can take a look and follow my profile, so you would be getting lots of job related information. So coming to the first job, Valeo India is hiring for trainees, which is for freshers. This job is for basically mechanical, automobile and mechatronic folks. If you are interested, you can click on this link. It is a Google form, so basically I recommend you to verify before you apply. So I'm gonna share it so it will appear on my profile. And next, Byju's laid off multiple employees. So Glassdoor is hiring for Python developer in Kolkata location. If you are interested, you can share your resume with smondal@glassdoor.com. Let me see, what is it? I never heard. Reliable Indian Glassdoor Solutions Private Limited. So this is basically a services based company, so no problem, you can apply for this role. Spectraforce is hiring for freshers. It's a permanent work from home and the salary 6 LPA. If you are interested, you can share your resume with yamini.thakur@spectraforce.com. There are almost 50 plus jobs available. Trigen Technologies is hiring for freshers in Mumbai location. If you are interested, you can click on this link and apply for the job. This is basically a testing job. So I'm gonna like it so it will appear on my page, or else I will repost it. Couchbase is hiring for freshers for graduate software engineer role in Bangalore. If you are interested, you can click on this link and apply for this role. So I'm going to share it. And this person is looking for a SEO executive role, and Glossify is hiring for a SEO executive role. So if any SEO person is looking for a job, so I recommend you to share your resume with hr@glossify.com. And Revy Infotech is hiring for DEVOPS profile. If you are interested, you can reach this person. I'm not sure whether it is genuine or not. Mirfra Technologies is hiring in Bangalore location. So if you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. And Genpact is hiring for process developer role. This is basically a fintech role if I'm not wrong. So if you are interested, you can share your resume with this given email address, sankipta.barik@genpact.com. And E2 Open is hiring for associate QA engineer. Let me open this to confirm whether it is genuine or not. Yeah, this is a genuine one, but posted long back. So however, give a try, just apply for this role. And keeping that aside, Manpreet is looking for HR trainee roles. Amazon is hiring for HR recruiters, as well as Glossify is also looking for HRs. This Advanced Soft is a consultancy. This is hiring for PLSQL developer in Hyderabad location. If you are interested, you can share your resume with teja.tota@atso.com. And that's my 5 minutes, friends. In my upcoming video, I would be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.